Yeah guys, we're gonna solve this problem. This is the problem here. Localhost, yes, click here, get this crazy message, and when you go back, got this same thing, but if say index.php still okay. We're going to try Chrome. Host in Chrome. Same result. So what we do, go here, and get WampServer here. It's fine. Then click here. Go to www. This is where we go. And www directory. Get this. Then you open it, Notepad. Look for this line. Only change here to false. Then you save. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, please. After saving, you go back here. So you say localhost. Then we go here. See, everything is fine. So everything is sorted. Guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. We can also go and test this. Everything's okay. We go also to Chrome and we refresh. Say localhost. Then we go to Layla. Find this. Seems everything is working perfect now. Guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any other problem, please tell us. Yeah, that's the way how to fix that. Okay, don't forget we only change here.